Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
The Bronco has a lot of painted area exposed around the door sill. The fact that you have a long way to go to get into this beast, scuffs and scrapes are inevitable. It only took maybe a few days before our first scrape showed up. I knew we were going to have to put something down, but I just didn't get to it fast enough. I saw that there were quite a few choices of door sill guards, but my wife wanted something durable that also wasn't flashy or sticker-like, so we opted for this set. Right out of the box, the pieces look pretty durable, and they have some non-slip raised bumps on them. The back sides are marked with letters if you can't figure out where each goes. There are 3 strips of double-sided adhesive that looks to have been applied by a one-eyed drunk person, but will probably do the job just fine. Installation is pretty easy. I started with the front door sill area by cleaning it with just some water. The car is still almost new, and I never ceramic coated or waxed this area, but to be thorough, I still wiped down the area with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure it was totally clean. Then it was just a matter of fitting the part to the door sill and trying to find where it settled into the contours the best. Then I marked the edge with tape for future reference. I peeled off the liners from the double-sided tape. It was a little cold out, so just in case I gave the tape a few passes with my heat gun to help the adhesion process. I next did the rear door sills using the same process as the front. Overall, the fit was really good on the door sills. If you look close, you can ever so slightly see a small gap at the rear of the front door sill, but that might be a fault of my positioning. The rear door sill appeared to fit 100% perfectly. I've seen that some people have reported issues closing the doors after applying different door sill guards, but we didn't have that problem. I'm really happy with the result. I think they look really good and totally factory. My wife took one look at these and was also really happy with them. Well, that's it. See you later.